Hi, I'm Alan Rankin. I'm the SNP councillor for the City Centre ward, and I'm also, since May of last year, I've been convener of the Finance and Budget Committee, and that takes up almost all my time in the council. Before I was a councillor, I used to work for the Ministry of Defence in London for 15 years, and then I moved up to Scotland when the Parliament opened in '99, and I worked there as a committee clerk for 8 years. I was elected in a by-election in August 2011, and then re-elected in the council-wide election in May of last year. And as I say, I spend most of my time having meetings with the directors of various departments and with senior officials, looking at how the council can spend its money more effectively and efficiently, and how we can manage the cuts that the council has in its budget. And at the same time, we aim to preserve frontline services as far as possible. And that's a major challenge, but it's one way of getting to grips with it.